Servus and welcome on my channel csAirsoft. I'm Cosmo and today we have another special unboxing. I would say it's a field unboxing. And yeah, I'm here on the action base in Rauchenwart near Vienna. And yeah, let's do this unboxing. This is a package from airsoftzone.com or airsoftzone.at, an Austrian airsoft shop. And let's start. Okay, I'm a little bit in a hurry because the game is running currently, so it's a little, it's a fun situation. Okay, let's start. We have some interesting stuff. We will start with the first one. It's a stock from G&G Armament. It's a cool stock from G&G Armament. It's here for my Crytek, so if I can exchange it now. No, I think it's too tight. I think the stock is too tight. No, I have to sand it down a little bit because it's too tight in there for the Crytek buffer tube. So I have to put the original one back on. Okay, so it don't fit on this Crytek, but it looks pretty cool and it's processed very nice. And yeah, I think I will get it on there in some way. Yeah, don't know. And yeah, next thing we have this beautiful box. Is new pants in Ranger Green from the brand Clawgear. These are the Radar MK4 pants from Clawgear. I want to change my uniform because I think the Pencut Wildwood is cool, but Ranger Green is better, and notcramsy has the same. So visit him. I will link the channel here. And of course we need some more gear stuff. This is the combat shirt from Clawgear, of course in Ranger Green too. It's beautiful. I will do a review, of course. And yeah, this is the operator combat shirt from Clawgear. It's beautiful. And now we have next contact. Got him. So, okay. Next thing is a pretty cool hard case out of plastic. And yeah, I think this is for you, notcramsy, because that's not mine.
Thank you, mate.
And I see you don't have any gloves on, so just take this beautiful mechanics gloves here. I will cover you. Okay, I have the same one. These are the normal mechanics gloves, the mechanics originals, but mine are ripped off already and fucked up a little bit because I used them for a long time now. And yeah, and the funny story about it is I already bought new ones from the Recon company, but yeah, I lost them last week, so I had to buy new ones or new gloves. And of course we have some green gas here, red and green gas, because yeah, I need more of them. And yeah, you always keep well stock on green gas and of course on BBs. These are for my SR25. I will link the project up there. 0.40 gram BBs from G&G Armament, biodegradable. Yeah, pretty expensive, but I like them. And yeah, last is we have some magazines. Oh shit. Yeah, we have some new magazines here from EPM, from PTS, the EPM Max for M4 models. So yeah, they're fitting quite nicely. So yeah, it's okay. Could be better, but yeah, just use some tape and that's it. Okay, so I think that's all. There's my magazine. So I think that's all. The package is empty now. So I hope you liked this a little bit more special unboxing video directly from the field, from the action base in Rauchenbad near Vienna. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and a sub. See you. Bye.